Hi, and welcome to Angels Nook. I've had a lifelong love of creating using art techniques, DIY projects, faux finishes, upscaling and repurposing items, furniture restoration and refinishing, and cooking and baking. Retirement has given both me and my husband the opportunity to delve deeply into all kinds of creative endeavors. I spent my career as an educator, and I infused art and creative problem solving into all subject areas and across all ages, from preschool to adult. Those experiences reinforce that everyone has the untapped potential to discover talents, passions, and their own creativity. We just need guidance to learn the skills and the encouragement to step out of our comfort zone and try something new. There is always something unique being worked on here at Angels Nook. It might be a faux finish technique, like the bricks you see on the back wall, restoring a furniture piece, a DIY project for the house, transforming decor pieces like this mermaid who was plain solid concrete, or these pumpkins that were just bright white and bright orange, or the piece behind that is an eagle that was a solid black piece of cast iron. It could also be something as simple as learning how to bake a loaf of bread. I'm Angelete, and my hope is that the videos and projects shared here will both inspire and encourage you to try the techniques yourself, and just maybe find a passion and a talent you never knew you had. So welcome and stay tuned.